Alright gang, Halex here, back in my basement. I got an unboxing today. This comes from Roman at Roman's Props. Roman is known for his immaculate Obi-Wan Kenobi replicas. He's the one who started it all. And he's been perfecting little things over and over and over. And he came up with a new run of sync knobs. I got one of his first steel ones here, and then he came out with his chrome edition, and now he's got plastic ones just like the original, and he's got I believe it's three versions. He's got the chrome plastic static version, which would look something like this, how it screws in, and then he has a chrome plastic FX version for those guys who are looking to do FX conversions for electronics and blinking lights. And then he's got the Vintage series, which is a 1-to-1, 100% accurate replica of a real tap. So it was a very small run. He only made 50 of these. I wanted to get in on it, but it was kind of expensive. So I threw out this little comment on the RPF. If anybody wants to go halves, hit me up. And somebody actually did. So the person, I didn't care what color I got, so the person that the other tap belongs to, I'm going to put it aside and not touch it because I don't want to damage it or scratch or anything. So we're going to find my red and do a review on that. Oh good, we can see the colors. So we got blue and red. We're going to just remove the blue, put that aside, take out the red. It is really, really light. Compared to the other ones. Oh, and with the Vintage series, they don't come with the D-ring drilled. You have to drill the D-ring yourself, but his other versions, the static and the FX, they come with the D-ring drilled. So here's a thought for all these real parts Obi-Wan guys. They end up spending hundreds of dollars on a real sync knob, and then they don't put the hole in the pommel because they're afraid of cracking a cube off, because I guess a couple of guys, when attempting to drill it, it has shattered the plastic because the plastic's so old. So a lot of them don't even drill for the D-ring. Well, now with Roman, if you just buy one of his statics, it already comes with the pommel cube drilled, so you could take your cube set off the Vintage and put his replica one on with the D-ring, and you don't have to worry about it. Or just put the whole thing on and keep the real one in the case beside it. Wowzer. Wow. You can already see how sharp the edges, I mean not sharp like it's going to cut you, but compared to his other versions, you can see how much more crisper, I should say, the cubes actually are. Everything is much crisper. Wow. And though it's light, it's not much lighter than the metal one. I don't know if that, I think that is on the original one. The chrome is beautiful. Wow. Let's see if I can take this apart. That's right, because it's not FX. We have that part there, and this part here. So now this cap has to come off. Easy beans. Quite a few pieces to it, but this is how the original one is set up. See, I thought the whole entire thing was plastic, but I'm wrong. This is metal. This is metal, and it makes sense because this would get bolted down to the faucet. Beautiful. Depending on which way you want, Tunisia or Chronicles. Let's switch it around. Again, this is plastic. The cubes are plastic. This is probably aluminum. Let me just check with my magnet. Yep, that's aluminum. And then plastic cap, plastic color indicator. Very careful since this is plastic. If tightening, you don't want to strip anything. Wow. Roman, you've outdone yourself again. Can't get any better than this. This is 100% right. There's nothing else. You can actually see you can see myself in it. Wow, Roman. Like I said, again though, these don't come drilled, so if you're looking for a drilled one, you might as well grab the static or FX that comes already drilled. And for the real parts, guys, the upgrade is worth it just for the pre-drilled polymer cube, so you don't have to worry about shattering yours. These can be grabbed at Roman's Props. Again, I'm pretty sure he only had 50 sets of these made, and once they're gone, I don't believe he's doing a run ever again. So if you're debating, now's the time to grab it. Yep. Don't hesitate. I'd grab a set before they're gone. So I gotta thank Roman again for coming out with this. This is gonna go in the display case. Thanks, Roman. Very, very impressed. So, that concludes the unboxing. It gets my approval. This is HalloX, out.